In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a door in AutoCAD. To begin, create the main body of the door using the line command. Type line or press L, then press enter. Draw the first line at the location where you want to place the door. Next, draw another line from the end of the first line to create the height of the door. Turn on Ortho mode to keep the line straight, then draw the line upward. Now that you have created the basic rectangle shape, it's time to add the door swing arc. Type arc into the command line and choose the Start End Radius option. Select the two endpoints of the line that represents the door width to set the start and end points of the arc. After selecting the points, enter the radius value to create the arc. AutoCAD will generate the door swing that shows how the door opens. Once the door shape is complete, you can convert it into a block for easier use in your drawings. To create a block, type block into the command line and press enter. Follow the prompts, select the door objects, and assign a name for the block. After creating the block, you can easily copy, paste, and rotate the door whenever you need it in your floor plan. And that's how to make a door in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.